Hey guys, doing a food review on Freddy's steak burgers. This is take two. First one, some hot chick walked by and my phone fell down. So
She was like 40 pounds.
fries, garbage. They're like toothpicks. Dropped in the dirt. Their fry sauce is basically McDonald's Big Mac sauce, but a bunch of spices that makes it taste like shit. Onion rings are alright, though. Big, just like me. So, onion rings, give them a thumbs up. Let's try this burger. Big. God damn it. It's like they took the fryer, they took all the grease. Not even sure that's a burger. What is that? You know, you get that, you know, get the packs of burgers from the grocery store. You get like 30 in one pack, and then all the fat and the grease drops off and it drops into the barbecue at the barbecue. It looks like they took that, fell off, and made this burger. Look at this. This is a California special. Definitely, this is a California special. I'm not going to California. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, peace.